Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to factory reset a Samsung phone without a password or when it's locked. Alright, let's begin. First, power off your Samsung phone completely. If it's still on, press and hold the volume down and power buttons until the power menu appears, then tap power off and wait for the device to shut down. Once the phone is off, press and hold the volume up and power buttons together. Keep holding them until the Samsung logo appears, then release the buttons. This will open the Android recovery menu. On some older Samsung models, the button combination may be slightly different, so try the alternative if needed. In the recovery menu, use the volume up and volume down buttons to navigate. Highlight Wipe Data, Factory Reset, then press the power button to select it. Confirm your choice by selecting Factory Data Reset. Keep in mind that this process erases all data stored on the device, including apps, photos, and settings. So that's basically how you can factory reset a Samsung phone without a password or when it's locked. That's it for this video. Thanks!